Hey there, music enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the music world with an exciting topic: the best digital pianos in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pianist or just starting your musical journey, finding the right digital piano can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top contenders that blend cutting-edge technology, authentic sound, and a realistic feel to deliver an unparalleled playing experience. From compact models perfect for small spaces to high-end options loaded with features, we have something for everyone. Stick around as we unravel the latest advancements in digital piano technology and help you decide on your next musical companion. If you're passionate about piano or eager to start playing, you won't want to miss out. Let's jump in and discover the best digital pianos to elevate your musical expression in 2024. Alesis Recital. The Alesis Recital is an electric piano tailored to musicians of all levels, priced at just $219. This feature-packed electric keyboard boasts 88 premium full-sized semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response, ensuring a personalized playing experience that suits your style. One of the standout features is its premium sound quality, offering 5 voices: acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and bass. The built-in effects, including chorus and reverb, enhances your playing with a rich and dynamic sound. The 2 built-in 20-watt speakers deliver crystal-clear, room-filling audio. Connectivity is key, and the Alesis Recital provides all the right connections. This electric piano adapts to your needs with a 1x4-inch sustain pedal input, pedal not included, a 1x4-inch stereo headphone output for private practice, and stereo RCA outputs for connection to speakers or amplifiers. Play the keyboard wherever inspiration strikes, with the option to power it via the included adapter or 60-cell batteries. Its portability makes it perfect for professional piano performances anywhere. Unlock your musical potential with powerful educational features, including standard, split, layer, and lesson modes with 128-note max polyphony. Enjoy a 3-month premium subscription to Scoob for expert interactive online piano lessons. As a bonus, get 60 free virtual lessons from Melodic to refine your skills across various genres and techniques. Elevate your musical journey with the Alesis Recital, an electric piano that adapts to you. Yamaha P71. The Yamaha P71 is an exceptional digital piano priced at $499, exclusively on Amazon, and loaded with features that redefine your musical experience. This all-inclusive package has a power adapter and sustain pedal, making it an unbeatable value. The P71's 88 fully weighted piano-style keys offer an authentic touch, simulating the feel of an acoustic piano for a quality playing experience. Its versatility shines through with 10 voices, including digitally sampled tones from real Yamaha acoustic grand pianos. Experience a new level of creativity with the dual mode, blending 2 voices, like piano and strings, for a truly inspiring playing experience. The slim and stylish design, with a depth of less than 12 inches, makes the P71 a space-saving marvel that weighs only 25 pounds, perfect for any setting. Authenticity extends to touch, thanks to Yamaha's graded hammer standard, weighted action, replicating the feel of acoustic piano hammers. Ideal for aspiring pianists, the GHS action builds proper finger technique for transitioning to an acoustic piano. Simplify your operations with just 1 button. The P71's intuitive design lets you make various settings by pressing the grand piano/function button and selecting keys. Powered by Yamaha's classic sound engine using advanced wave memory sampling, the P71 delivers a rich, spacious sound with advanced wave memory stereo sampling, capturing acoustic nuances with precision. Elevate your music journey with the Yamaha P71, where innovation meets tradition. The 1SP Play. Explore the music world with the 1SP Play, a cutting-edge digital piano priced at $999. Designed to elevate your playing experience. Boasting 88 hammer action keys with progressive weighted technology, the SP Play replicates the feel of an acoustic piano, providing a nuanced and authentic playing experience. The keys are heavier on the low end and lighter on the high end, and matching finger strength changes precisely. Perfect for beginners, the one-keyboard piano incorporates advanced teaching-like technology that syncs with the app's music score, illuminating the keys and aiding quick skill mastery. It's not just a piano, it's a teacher. Immerse yourself in outstanding sound with 4 hi-fi speakers, grand piano sound sampling, and 16-bit stereo sampling techniques. The SP Play delivers a true-to-life piano tone that enhances your musical journey. As a leading intelligent digital piano, the One SP Play is easily controlled through the exclusive app, the One Smart Piano, allowing for functions like tone switching, volume adjustment, metronome, recording, USB MIDI editing, aux in out, dual headphone jacks, dual keyboard mode, and more. Dive into an extensive music library with 426 tones, 64 polyphony, 4,000 music scores, 100 videos, and games. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, the SP Play provides a clear rendition and a natural feel of different sounds, making it perfect for teaching and learning. Elevate your musical journey with the One SP Play, where innovation meets impeccable design. Donner DDP-100. The Donner DDP-100 is a game-changer in digital pianos priced at $599. It boasts 88 fully weighted keys. This digital piano precisely matches finger strength changes, delivering a playing experience that restores the true piano's feel. The keys are not only stable but also provide a superior tactile experience. Immerse yourself in a world of realistic and excellent sound with the DDP-100. Donner has meticulously tested and adjusted the details of timbre, ensuring the sound is more lifelike. This attention to detail helps you develop a keen ability to distinguish sound, enhancing your musical prowess. Versatility meets convenience with the ability to input and play MP3, built-in amplifier, and support for external sound or headphones, catering to various occasions. The streamlined design and a wooden cabinet and sliding key cover add a touch of elegance while protecting the keys. Experience excellence in sound with the Donner DDP-100, featuring 88 keys weighted with pure tones sampled from real acoustic grand pianos. This digital piano guarantees the quality of your practice and performance, making it an ideal companion for musicians at any level. Elevate your playing experience with the Donner DDP-100, where precision meets performance. Casio PX-770. Embark on a musical journey with the Casio PX-770, a digital piano priced at $899 that combines elegance with cutting-edge features. With dimensions of 54.76 by 11.77 by 31.42 inches and a weight of 69.45 pounds, the PX-770 is a sleek addition to any space. The tri-sensor scaled hammer action 2 keyboard offers an incredible feel, capturing the dynamics of a performance with unparalleled speed and accuracy. This piano goes beyond just playing notes. It delivers an immersive experience. Immerse yourself in crystal clear sound with the powerful stereo amplification system that spans the entire audio spectrum. The duet mode, splitting the piano into 2 equal pitch ranges, allows students and teachers to share the same instrument, enhancing the learning experience. Explore concert play, enabling you to play along with 10 recordings of well-known orchestral pieces. Connect effortlessly to Mac or Windows devices via USB without drivers, and utilize the free Cordana Play app on iOS or Android for interactive learning. Powered by the Air engine, the PX-770 provides highly accurate grand piano sounds with seamless dynamics, ensuring a remarkably expressive and powerful performance. Elevate your playing experience with the Casio PX-770, where innovation meets musical excellence. Yamaha P45. Unleash your musical potential with the Yamaha P45, now available at an exclusive limited-time deal of $499, 17% off. This digital piano is not just an instrument, it's a gateway to authentic, immersive playing. Experience the touch of a true piano with Yamaha's graded hammer standard, weighted action, offering a heavier touch at the low end and a lighter touch at the high end, mirroring the feel of acoustic piano hammers. Perfect for aspiring pianists, the matte finish of the black keys enhances grip during extended playing sessions. Immerse yourself in Yamaha's classic sound engine, powered by advanced wave memory sampling. This digital technology faithfully captures the acoustic piano's sound, providing a deeper, richer, and more spacious tone. The P45 uses advanced wave memory stereo sampling, employing pairs of waveforms to create a dynamic sound experience. Enjoy simplicity with single-button operation, allowing you to change various settings effortlessly. The P45 includes the digital piano, power adapter, sustain pedal, and music rest, offering everything you need for a seamless playing experience. With 88 fully weighted piano-style keys, 10 different voices, and the ability to combine 2 voices in dual mode, the P45 delivers a quality playing experience with versatility. Don't miss this limited-time deal. Elevate your music journey with the Yamaha P45, where innovation meets tradition.